Do you have an apartment horror story?
I actually just broke up with my whole roommate. Yeah, like we had a fight and I had to move out and I got a different room. We had a blowout.
Oh no, so are we like not on speaking terms?
No, we're not.
No, okay, all
Definitely
right.
not.
Do we wish them well?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Oh, I used to live with these girls, and they said that they like paint and sips and stuff. But when I moved in, it was not that. It was so disgusting and nasty and moldy.
It was not as advertised.
No, and it was so dark.
So wait, did they ever have any like wine and paint?
No, they had like 20 people at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday all of a sudden.
No.
No horror story. Such an
Apartment
easygoing
horror
guy.
story? No.
The roommate that everybody gets along with.
Well, that's not true.
Mom, do you have a horror story
Oh,
about
God.
him?
No, she doesn't.
Wild child. Buttoning up on camera, I see. Yeah.
In my house, I have this like creepy painting that like looks at you in all like directions. We used to cry all the time when you were young, like that the painting was watching us.
What is this painting? Like, is it a family heirloom? Why do we have it in the house?
So my uncle made that painting for my mother, and my mother has it in the hallway.
Do you think that you would own that painting?
No, I'd give it away to like a cousin or something.
Immediately.